Alright, today I have two NodeMCUs, and I have one of them hooked up with an analog stick, one to a micro servo with a 3D printed body I have here. What's going on is the analog stick is wirelessly telling the servo what position to go to. It is not 100% working right now, not to the best it could be, and we'll see why. Now, I'll hit up. Takes a little while. Jitters. Hit down. Little jitters again. See, I can't get rid of the jitters or the lag in the connection. For some reason, it's not as instantaneous as I would like it to be. And I don't know what the problem is. If you want to look at the code here, basically I got the variable A stick, which is for the analog stick. It's reading the pin for the x-axis. It's mapping it from 15 to 180 because 0 seems to make it do just 360s for me. Then I'm sending it HTML, that value, over to the client. And this is the client here. This is what's receiving the servo, and as you can see, this is the simple code I have. It gets rid of everything before the numbers, converts the string to an int, then it writes to the servo that servo position, and as you can see, it's semi-working. I mean, there's a lot of delay, and I guess it is going to that position. So I'd say it is working, just not very functionally. Another way for me to check it is I can actually go here to my web browser and I'll type it in. Now, as you can see here, I have the value actually showed up here. So it is giving the right values. I mean, if I hit refresh while I got the stick down, you see 166. I let go, refresh it. We're at almost a happy medium. Then I hit up and refresh it, and we're at 15. So the values are getting fed right. I just don't know why the jitters are going on and why it's not as instantaneous as it should be. But I will put the code up there, and maybe you guys can tinker with it, make it a little quicker, make it a little more accurate. I'd like to see this actually work. But here's some groundwork for you, and you guys can build upon that. Either download the code I'm linking in my GitHub, or actually contribute to it and add on to it at the GitHub. But either way, it's open source, and do what you like with it, and hopefully you guys make it better than I did. But like I said, here's a start, so I hope you enjoyed.